everyone, welcome back to How to Doctor. In today's video, I'm going to teach you on how to find your Binance wallet address for any cryptocurrency that you want to receive. First, open up the Binance on your device and log into your account. Next, tap on the Wallets button below. Now select the Deposit button on the screen. In here, simply select the crypto coin that you want to see your wallet address. For example, let's select BTC or Bitcoin. Next, select the network that you want. For now, let's choose Bitcoin. After that, you'll see your deposit address of Bitcoin on your Binance. You can use this to receive Bitcoin from other people or when you transfer from another wallet or trading account. Let's have another example. Go back to Wallet section and here, tap Deposit button. Now let's choose USDT. In the pop-up, select what network that you want. For now, let's select BNB Smart Chain. Now you'll see your wallet address for USDT. Tap the copy button beside the address and it will be copied to your clipboard. You can do this to any crypto coin that you want to see to your Binance wallet address. That's basically how to find your Binance wallet address to any cryptocurrencies. Thanks for tuning in to How to Doctor. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe. And if you have any questions, drop them below, and we'll see you on the next video.